Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be filming a makeup collection. In my last video, I did a cleaning out my makeup collection where I just took you guys along with me to declutter, clean, organize, and just revamp my makeup collection. So I will leave that video linked down below if you are interested. So I'm now going to be showing you guys basically the final result and everything that I've ended up putting in the drawers. This isn't going to be too in-depth in what's in the drawers. It's kind of just showing you what is in each. If you guys are interested in an actual like showing you guys each individual product that I own of a certain drawer, let me know down below and I can make a dedicated video for it. I will also leave my previous makeup collection videos linked down below if you are interested to see how it transformed into this point, all thanks to you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the video. So this is my makeup collection, and please keep in mind that it took me quite a while to get it to the point where it's at now. I do collect makeup, I enjoy it and I love it, so obviously I have a lot of it. So starting off with the Alex 9 drawer on the right, the top drawer has all of my foundations, primers, and also my setting sprays. I have my one beauty blender that I use up here as well. I really love how all the organization came out. The second drawer is a whole bunch. I have a lot in this drawer. I mentioned in my last video, if I had a third Alex 9 drawer, I'd be able to fill it up, and that is completely true. I probably will end up getting one, not anytime soon, but when I move out, I'm definitely going to have like a big beauty room, or at least that's what I hope. That's definitely a dream of mine. So I have my concealers here. I also have concealing palettes and color correcting palettes back here, as well as some liquid color correctors. In the first little spot right here, I have all of my bronzers and contour. This acrylic organizer is from TJ Maxx. It came in a 2-pack, so it has the 3 compartments here and then one bigger one. Most of my organization bins are either from the Dollar Tree or Marshalls and TJ Maxx. I didn't really get them from anywhere else. Here are my pressed powders and then my loose powders back there. I have more beauty blenders down here, and then I have blush, highlighter, and all of that here. I used to have one drawer for each, like one concealer drawer, one powder drawer, one contour drawer, and it was literally ridiculous. So I'm really glad that when I decluttered, I was able to condense down to one drawer, because it does save me a lot of space. So the rest of the drawers are basically filled, obviously, so I had to kind of, you know, condense. When I decluttered in my last video, it was probably the biggest declutter ever, just because I've had some things that I've been holding on to since I started my collection back in like 2016, 2017, and I was just holding on to them, not even because I use them, but because they're just like cute, you know, to have on display. But that is obviously not the right reason to keep things. If you see that something expired, or if you know it's too old, you should definitely get rid of it for like safety and health reasons. So with the third drawer, I have all of my lip products as well as my eyebrow products back here. This could be a little bit more organized, but I don't go in this drawer a lot, and I couldn't really figure out a way to organize this, so I kind of just like prefer it like this. This is all of like my lip care. I have some lip masks, lip scrubs. The fourth drawer is all of my eye products, so I have my eye glitters here on the side. This drawer is one of my favorites, not only because I go in here the most for my mascaras, which is like what I use every day, but I love how it turned out as far as organization. I have eye primers, glitter primers, and then my mascaras here. I also condensed this down a lot. I used to have literally a whole drawer just for mascara, so really proud of myself for that. Next drawer is all of my eyeshadow palettes, and this is something that I have a really hard time decluttering. And I really didn't even touch this drawer when I was redoing my makeup, because I feel like I don't go in this drawer a lot, but eyeshadow is one of those things where there are so many different shades, so like you don't want to get rid of it, you know. I mean, I feel like powders don't really go bad as fast as liquids. Next drawer is all of my eyelashes. This is probably my favorite drawer. I love how it came out. It looks so organized, and it's all of my favorite lashes in the front, and then in the back are like more cheaper lashes. All these green ones are actually from the dollar store. They went viral on TikTok, and they're actually pretty good. So I really like those, and I got a bunch. The next drawer is all of my self-tanners. I have some mitts in here, tanning lotion, I have sunscreen, lotion, stuff like that. Next drawer is my YouTube drawer. This one has gotten a mess since I organized it, but that is just because I'm literally in here every day. I mentioned that in the video, and it still kind of has an organization pattern to it, but at least I can like see everything, you know? Like if this was out of here, it basically would be organized, but it's just my laptop charger. The bottom drawer is all my special effects makeup, which hasn't been touched since. Moving over, I got this bench from Burlington. It's so cute. It's gray velvet with rhinestones on the top. It literally matched the theme of this room perfect, and I just have all my shoes in it. And here, I organized this with actual acrylic organizers. In the video that I was organizing, I didn't have any bins for in here, but I did go out and buy some from Marshall's, so that's in here. My notebooks. I have my hair care stuff for after the shower. That's like the main time I go in this drawer. I have all of my after shower products in here. And then on top of my vanity, I have my Chi hair straightener that my boyfriend got me for Christmas. I love this thing. It's so cute. I have the switch that controls these Hollywood lights right here. So this is actually a really, really easy setup. There's no wires required. So this literally just like sticks on. It's from Lowe's. I actually have two of them. It's the ones with the green dots, and as you can see when I turn it off, it's this one right here. I just have my IKEA lights plugged into it, so whatever is plugged in gets powered by the switch. So I also have another one for my closet area right here, which I hooked up some lights to, which I love. It looks super cute. I have this soap dispenser that is from Marshall's, and I actually have my Cetaphil lotion in here for my face. I have my brushes, this acrylic organizer again from TJ Maxx. I have these beauty blenders in here that I don't actually use. They're just kind of for a display. They're really cheap ones, actually. They were like $3 for like a pack of 4. A light up mirror, which is dead right now. I need to change the batteries. I'm so bad with keeping that thing lit. I love this candle. It's literally the best scent. I love like clean and fresh smells. On top of the left Alex 9 drawer, I have our YouTube plaque that I am so thankful for, and then this cute glitter frame that has literally a printed out picture of like a Chanel glass bottle in it. The left side is all of my skincare and hair care, and then the right side is more of my makeup. So going in the first drawer, I have all of my masks and stuff. I also have a toner because I had nowhere else to put it. But I have my sheet masks here, and then my liquid masks here on the side. Next drawer is all of like my treatments. So I have my blackened masks here, lip masks, under eye masks, these acne dots, as well as like some brushes to apply it. Third drawer, I have all of my like skincare tools. So I have my ice globes, some Neutrogena Hydro Boost wipes. Yeah, you guys can basically see I have a bunch of like these facial massagers and like exfoliant jade rollers and stuff, and then a pour vacuum on the left with all of the attachments and charger. The fourth drawer is all of my makeup cloths and headbands. You guys, these are literally the best. I wear them besides doing my makeup. Like, they look so cute on. They get the hair out of your face. They're from Amazon. It came in a 4-pack for like I think 10 or 12 bucks. It wasn't expensive, and it comes with white, gray, pink, and black, as well as these two like fluffy headbands for washing the face, and then some extra makeup towels. And then moving down is my nail drawer. So here I have all of my nail polishes. These are all from the dollar store. They work pretty good. They're not the best, but they definitely get the job done. So I want to maybe eventually swap these out for better ones. I don't know, I don't really paint my nails that often, so it doesn't really matter. I have my fake acrylics here. You guys know that I love these. The first big drawer is all of my like self-care stuff. So I have my facial steamer, a body wrap, face masks, stuff like that. You guys, it's been like a day or two since I filmed the decluttering video, and this drawer has already managed to get a mess. I literally just grab and like throw back in here, but this drawer doesn't really matter because I can still like, you know, get at everything. So this is just all of my hair products and tools in here. And here are all of my hair accessories. So I have scrunchies, headbands, elastics. And then the next drawer is all of my cleaning products. So I have a duster, some carpet refreshener, wipes, sprays, and just stuff that I clean my room with. And that is basically it for all of this. I also have my robe on the side hanging with like a command hook, so I use that whenever I get out of the shower. It's literally the cutest thing, you guys. It has pink bling on the sleeves and then the bling dog on the front here. It's Sherpa on the inside. Super cute. So that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below how long you've been watching me, because I'm really curious to know if this is the first video you're seeing from me. Please feel free to join. We all certainly welcome you. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.